Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Mitch, and my YouTube channel is all about how to build, fix, and increase your credit score. And I'm also going to be and I'm also going to be speaking about tips and tricks that nobody speaks about, like in the credit world. Once I'll get more into depth once I start making more videos. I'm going to be uploading 3 videos per week, so you should definitely consider subscribing if this is something you're interested in. Alright guys, that's enough of that. In today's video, I want to make a real quick video, just what is credit. You know, I know a lot of people know what this is, but like I just want to give a brief definition to, like, for someone who doesn't know from a younger audience. I can just direct them to this video, and also to my nieces and nephews. So what is credit? And I think that's a great question, and you should ask this question at a young age, since as soon as you're like 16 and 17, so by the age of 18 you're already pretty knowledgeable when it comes to this subject. Alright guys, so as soon as you turn 18, you need to start building your credit. 100%. Credit is pretty much a bank or institution who is lending you money without any collateral, meaning they are lending you money with the promise of you paying them back. Yeah, pretty much they're just saying, like, you know, you're asking them for money, they're giving you the money, and that's it. You don't have to like leave your watch as a collateral or leave, you know, the deed to your car. It's just they're giving you money with just, you know, with the promise of you just paying them back. They're taking most of the risk. Also, credit is a 3-digit number, which pretty much means how trustworthy you are to pay an amount that is given to you. So pretty much, like I said, either you're gonna, you know, ask for a loan like $1,000, $500, or you're gonna go to Walmart and buy a TV, and they're gonna give you credit for it, meaning that you're gonna have to pay them back. Credit is pretty simple, guys, but it can get really complicated if you don't understand the basics and, you know, more advanced tactics that I'm gonna be teaching you guys. So alright guys, that is it for now. Thank you guys again for watching. I hope I didn't really bore you with my credit geek talk. I'm really passionate about the subject. If you're interested about learning more about credit, make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell for notifications. I'm going to be, you know, making more videos. I'm going to be making at least 3 a week. I hope you guys have an amazing day. All links are down in the descriptions if you want to follow me on Instagram or you want to connect. If you have any questions about credit, or if you want to, you know, fix your credit or build your credit, you know, shoot me a DM. I'll be more than happy to help you guys, and maybe hopefully I can direct you, or you know, give you some advice. Okay. All right, guys. Till next video. Take care, guys.